Hi there, students. Upbeat and downbeat. They're opposites. Let's see, upbeat can either be an adjective or a noun. Downbeat can be an adjective or a noun as well. Let's see, as an adjective, upbeat means positive, full of hope and happiness. Yeah, so he was very upbeat about his prospects of passing the exam. It was a lovely sunny day and everybody was in a very upbeat mood. Yeah, despite the problems he's had, he still remains upbeat. The film ends on an upbeat note, positive, full of happiness. And then downbeat, the opposite, depressed, sad, unhappy, negative, gloomy, pessimistic. Yeah, so I found him in a very gloomy, downbeat mood. Come on, cheer up, don't be so downbeat, things will get better. Yeah, okay, he's normally a very downbeat character. The film started on a very downbeat note, but it finished on a very upbeat note. Okay, so upbeat and downbeat. Yeah, upbeat, cheerful, optimistic. Yeah, I'm very upbeat about the future. Maybe a pessimist is very downbeat about the future. Okay, so where does this come from? Well, it comes from music. And if you actually look at the conductor, the person who has this baton and he starts waving it around, well, normally when he starts the music, he starts with a downbeat. And each time he moves this is a beat. So this is the downbeat, and then this is the upbeat. Yeah? So the downbeat, he starts with a downbeat. I think a downbeat or an upbeat, let's see, an upbeat is the beat before the first bar of the music. Yeah, it's just before it starts. Dum bum, dum dum, and that's the idea. Okay, and then the downbeat comes as the music starts. Okay, so to be upbeat about something, to be downbeat about something, yeah, to be happy or sad about something, to be positively, yeah, to be lively. Let's see, a music could have a fast pace, a very upbeat tempo. It goes quite fast. Yeah, it's quite an upbeat, positive tune. I think maybe other things like a requiem is much more downbeat. It has a much slower pace. Yeah, and it's rather depressing. Okay, so upbeat. It's much better to be upbeat than downbeat. Okay, so formality, upbeat and downbeat. I think I'm going to give these a 4 in formality. Use them informally, definitely. Use them in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, just about, but certainly no more. And as to the origin, the conductor going up, dum bum bum ba dum ba dum ba dum bum 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 bum. Okay, and that's the idea of upbeat and downbeat. So upbeat, positive, lively, full of life, full of energy. Downbeat, sad, depressed, gloomy. Ooh. Okay, so it's better to be upbeat than downbeat. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.